What's up guys, it's me Geek. This is the Fossil ME3081 modern skeleton watch. As you know, I'm a big fan of Fossil watches. Personally, this box is amazing for giving someone a gift. This watch you can buy this one from Amazon for around 200 bucks. So this is a Fossil watch. Okay, now let me open the box for you. Okay, here we go. Here is the manual of the watch. Okay, and here is the watch. Okay, let me first, I want to show you the manual, because that sometimes some people say, why you don't show me the manual. It's much better to show the manual now than later. Okay, this manual don't make any sense to me, to be honest with. Literally, this manual don't make any sense for me, because this manual is, I think, for wrong something, another watch, I don't know what, but this manual do not make any sense, because this is just an automatic with not any calendar function or anything extra. Anyways, enough with that. So now here is the watch. So let me take out the watch. So this is the Fossil watch. I mean, look at the beauty of this watch. First I wanna take out the price tag. Okay, I wanna open this one. I wanna gently peel off everything, the plastic which is taking. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah, here we go. And then now I wanna take out from the band. Okay, from here. Okay, it come with this one. Okay, yeah, like this. I was peeling the wrong way. Come on. Okay, here we go. It's taking some time to take off. Okay, let me take from here. Yeah, from up is better. Up is better to take off. They're still stuck inside here. Finally, it's out. Okay, this one is out. And what about this side? Okay, here we go. Again, this video is like totally geek way of opening stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, and then here we go. And finally this left. This one, how to take off. Okay, this is not that hard, to be honest with you. I just need to make sure of this thing. Okay. Finally, you see, without destroying the watch. It takes some time. So now here is my review on this watch. This is a 50mm, but at the end of the day, this is just a 43mm watch. What I can tell you from my opinion, the number one impression is that this watch is one of the most beautiful watch. If you wear a Rolex, I will assume you are wearing a fake Rolex. Rolex do not hold any value for me. There are really very few fake Fossil watches, or if not at all. if someone is wearing this skeleton watch, they do not require any cell, as you can see from the back. Sadly, there's written like China movement. Yes, it's not using a Switzerland movement. I wish they use a city name like Guangzhou, Guilin, Shenzhen, Yiwu, something like that instead of China. Personally, I love this watch. I mean, as a comparison, how big this watch is still big. As you can see, this is a 43. This is a 50mm. This is a 43. I mean, you need to be the judge. I mean, both of the watches are beautiful, to be honest with you, but this is like a conversation starter. When I look at this watch, I mean, this watch look amazing on my wrist, to be honest with you. So this is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. Subscribe and buy.